so 4 months, and I've lost 20 kilos.
40 something pounds. That's incredible.
Crazy that I haven't actually had to hardcore work out. My name's Kathy. Turned 49 in October. 4 months ago, I was out and we were seeing a band, and I was wearing like a big muumuu, and I saw a girl from school I hadn't seen for years and years, and I hid in the corner and didn't want to speak to her because I was too embarrassed about how much weight I'd put on. And so I was so unhappy. There was just a point for me. I have tried things over the years and I have felt great, but once you stopped, it's like you're back. Meredith, with her flat stomach, kept popping up on my phone, and I was like, oh, I'm so over this skinny girl. Oh my goodness, as if you could ever, as if. And I started looking at the ingredients that she works with, and they're all the foods that I love anyway. So clicked on the program, and then I looked at the price and I was like, you're joking, it's so cheap. So I was like, give it a go. 1st of September, I started the Meta Flush, the program, and September, October, November, December, so 4 months, and I've lost 20 kilos. And the whole flat stomach thing, it can happen. When I wake up first thing in the morning, I feel my best. But I'm starting, like, I have never felt like I've had a flat stomach. And I've always had that excuse, is that I've inherited it and it's just part of me. And I remember Meredith always talking about it in her videos, saying, no, that's not true, it's possible. And I'm like, it's not possible, but it actually became possible for me. And I'm so happy now that, and then when I got to my 49th birthday, I was able to get into my jeans for the first time since I had babies. So my eldest is 20. So it's been 20 years. And that's why I reached out, because I genuinely am like so happy with this program.
And you're doing amazing. I mean, 20 kilograms and in pounds, that's like 40 something pounds. That's incredible. In 4 months. Has anything else improved besides your weight and all that stuff? Energy, mood, sleep, Something like that?
Yeah, everything. So I'm more confident, I'm happier and more social, wanting to meet people and wanting to go out and do things, and I feel so much better.
No, that's incredible, because a lot of people, there are so many programs out there, and people are kind of scared to try something new. So hearing stories like this, people are like, can connect in different details, that kind of thing. So it helps other people kind of like, hey, this is the real deal. What's your favorite thing about the program?
I love the fresh food, the fresh ingredients, the recipes. I actually will be honest with you, I don't exercise. So that's another major. And I quit the gym at the same time I started this. So I walk my dog, I surf, so I'm not doing nothing. I know that Meredith has got some really good workouts, but I haven't even got to that yet. I was really just focusing on the food, and I just repeat that 10 days, every 10 days. I just keep repeating it. Yeah, just following that program's been amazing. And the food, it's really easy. That's what I love. Really just fresh ingredients that you just get from your fruit and veg shop, and it's not too expensive.
Do you like the recipe? Like, do you think the recipes are yummy?
So yummy. I love it. I love the spices. Amazing, and you can fit it into your everyday life, and it's perfect. I love it. All those fresh ingredients and the smoothies, yum. I just thought of that chocolate smoothie, so good. The cinnamon banana cacao. I have so much cacao in my life, and for 4 months that's just been my focus. But now I'm ready to dive deeper. But it is crazy that I haven't actually had to hardcore work out.
Mara actually says, like in her ad, she goes, you don't have to work out to lose weight. And She puts her money where her mouth is, and boom. It's my favorite thing
Oh,
about this program is also that it is all whole foods. All it is natural foods. There's no supplements. There's no purchasing like processing. It's just actual food.
what I do is I just prep myself for the week. That's key, really. You got to really be prepped. So I have everything in the fridge ready to go for the week. The chili con carne, I've just got batches of it in the freezer.
What did you feel or see in the first couple weeks compared to like a month or 2 months? Did you see results right away?
I've actually recorded it all, so I've written it down and weigh myself every day. And my goal, actually, I don't feel like it was a slow process. I feel like it was like a good, almost a kilo a week.
4 pounds a week. That's pretty good.
Yeah, but I mean, there were really definitely slow moments where nothing was happening, and that gets very frustrating, and you just got to move through it and stay positive.
No, it's normal. That's very normal. Your body kind of like it's like a surge at first and then it kind of levels out and then you have to find your balance and then it goes little by little. So, yeah.
Oh, I'm just at a point now where I'm feeling so happy with how I feel. I mean, I don't want to lose that much more weight, and I just want to maintain now. So it's been amazing, really. I love it.
Love to hear it. And like we were saying before, there are so many programs out there and some people are like, scared to take that leap and try Svelte. What would you say to those people who are a little skeptic and don't know if they should try Svelte?
Oh, well, I really feel like you don't have a lot to lose because it's not expensive. It's easy, and you'll honestly feel so much better with yourself, more confident, and the different combinations of foods ignite something in your body and you just feel so much better. And it's amazing that it's natural. Like you said, there's no supplements and it's all just real food. And I also thought, I'm too old to lose my stomach now. It's crazy. I'm actually losing my stomach.
It's never too late. There's no age with health.
Well, I thought there was in my head.
Yeah.
So that's what I tell people. If you're feeling like, oh God, I'm too old now, then no. You just start each day fresh. And I just keep telling myself, you've got this. And no matter what happened the day before, just start again. Just keep starting again and don't give up. And yeah, definitely go for it.
This program has helped thousands of men and women transform their lives from the comfort of their own home. If you're interested, click that link below and I'm gonna walk you through every single step of how they did it.